Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit presents an intriguing option for those interested in renewable energy solutions. This product is particularly notable for its 3-blade Helix design, which is intended to optimize wind capture while offering a sleek appearance that can blend into various environments. At its core, the 18,000W Vertical Wind Turbine is engineered to harness wind energy effectively. With its vertical orientation, this turbine is designed to function efficiently even in turbulent wind conditions, making it suitable for a variety of locations. The vertical design minimizes the effects of wind direction changes, which can often be a limitation for horizontal turbines. This can be particularly beneficial in urban settings or areas with variable wind patterns. One of the standout features of this generator kit is its robust power output capability of 18,000 watts. This high wattage can potentially support various applications, including powering homes, businesses, or even small industrial setups, depending on the energy requirements. The turbine is equipped with a durable construction meant to withstand various weather conditions, which is essential for outdoor installations. The materials used in its construction may contribute to its longevity, providing users with a sense of reliability in their investment. Installation of the turbine is a crucial aspect to consider. The kit typically includes necessary components and instructions to help ensure a smooth setup process. However, potential users should assess their specific installation needs, as the height and placement of the turbine are significant factors influencing its performance. Proper location selection can enhance efficiency and energy production, making it a key point of consideration for anyone looking to utilize this wind turbine. In terms of usage, this turbine operates quietly compared to some traditional wind turbines, which may be an appealing feature for residential areas. The 3-blade design is engineered to provide a balanced and stable rotation, which can help reduce vibration and noise during operation. This can be particularly advantageous for users who prioritize a peaceful environment. In conclusion, the 18,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit offers a compelling option for those looking to harness wind energy. With its innovative design and potential for high output, it caters to various renewable energy needs. As with any energy solution, careful consideration of installation, location, and intended use is essential for maximizing its benefits.